The last video focused on the general aspects of the biosphere. What a biosphere is, what determines one, and what the different types are. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the effect of climate on the biosphere and local factors on vegetation. Temperature. Temperature, specifically the average temperature, is the main factor that affects plant growth. Usually, as we move away from the equator, the average temperature slowly decreases. Generally, as latitude increases, the temperature decreases. The diagram below shows different pressure belts around the world. These are parallel to the equator, and the way the sun's rays hits each area makes them different. High-pressure areas usually have more direct exposure to the sun. This makes these areas hotter and have less cloud cover. Low-pressure areas usually have a less intense impact from the sun's rays as they are spread over wider areas. This usually means cooler temperatures. This also means that there is increased cloud cover in these areas. In the tropics, the sun's rays are at a higher angle for the whole year. These rays are concentrated over relatively small areas, so they provide a lot more heat and sunlight. Due to more heat and sunlight, plants grow very well, leading to dense vegetation as seen in the photos. In the polar regions, the sun's rays are less concentrated. This means the average temperature falls dramatically from the tropical regions. The lack of heat and natural light limits vegetation growth. Plants are usually stunted and are frequently low-growing. Precipitation. In polar or desert areas, we usually find that it is very dry as they are high-pressure zones. However, at the equator and at midway latitudes, we find that regular, year-round precipitation occurs. This includes countries like the UK and Germany. Forests are also commonly found in however, as well as this, other areas, such as the Mediterranean and tropical areas, become low-pressure zones and experience a monsoon season. This can last for nearly 6 months. Local factors. Altitude can play a huge part in affecting plant growth. For every 100 meters we go up, the temperature will decrease by 1 degree Celsius. This is why Mount Kilimanjaro has snow at its peak even though it's near the equator. Nutrient-rich environments also encourage the growth of ecosystems. The vital nutrients for plant growth can be supplied by the soil or ocean currents. To summarize, we have learnt that the further away we are from the equator, the colder it gets. This means that regions like the tropics can grow large amounts of vegetation as they have the right temperatures. Next, we saw that precipitation can affect plant growth by its varying effect around planet Earth. In usually low-pressure areas, like the UK, there is regular year-round rainfall, but in high-pressure areas, like deserts, it is very dry. Local factors including altitude and nutrient-rich environments can help as well. Altitudes affect temperature by decreasing by 1 degree Celsius for every 100 meters we go up. Nutrient-rich environments provide good conditions for plants to grow. Thank you for watching.